Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara, video number 1433. So, last Saturday, all of you students, final year students, you have participated in the seminar on the topic of 7LAMPS of Advocacy. I told you why they are called as lamps of advocacy. I told you the famous Shanti mantra, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. So let the darkness of my innocence be lighted with the lamp of brightness. So you lead it from ignorance to knowledge you will be taken. So lamp, 7 lamps. In that lamp, one of the lamps is wit. So normally you don't get any case laws on this, but anyway, in some examples will come. So on 25th January 2022. An example of wit has come while going into the heated arguments of the Bombay High Court. So what happened? Let us know. A public interest litigation was filed in the Bombay High Court for the appointment of the permanent DGP. Actually, we are knowing that Parambir Singh, he was ousted and he has approached the court and now there is some dispute going regarding that Parambir Singh, since he has directly leveled allegations against the Anil Deshmukh, that is Home Minister of Maharashtra State, and later one Sanjay Pandey has been appointed as the DGP at present. And the government of Maharashtra sent some 3 members, that is list, as per that Prem Prakash Singh Badal case, Prakash Singh versus Union of India. So they have sent the names, but UPSC sent 3 names without the name of Sanjay Pandey. Actually, the government of Maharashtra wanted Mr. Sanjay Pandey to be the DGP to regularize him, but his name was not there. Some other 3 names have come, therefore they have not appointed. So there should be some permanent DGP. In this connection, a public interest litigation has been filed. So this is while during the hearing of the public interest litigation on 25th January, the advocate on behalf of Sanjay Pandey, the present DGP, the advocate name is Navroze seervai. He requested the Honorable Court to implead Sanjay Pandey as a party. See, actually the case is going between the Union India versus some public interest litigation. That's all. Maharashtra state is one party and Union of India is other party, whereas Sanjay Pandey is not at all a party. Then the Bombay Chief Justice, Sri Justice Deepankar Datta, yes, while hearing the bill and due to the intervention of Navroze seervai, he asked what right you have got to implead in this public interest litigation. You are not a party. Then seervai stated, Your Honor, my client, that means I should be the party because I have got a right to be heard. Why? Because I will be affected badly with this. Okay, then the court did not agree. So, right to be heard is a fundamental right, definitely Article 21. But when your name is not there, suppose if the names are not, if the name is there and if the Maharashtra state did not appoint him, he can be a party. When your name is not a party, when Sanjay Datta's name is not a party, how can you come and argue? How can you be made a party? Come on, you show me some relevant case laws, you show me some citations. So the Chief Justice asked. So there was a heated discussion. For this, seervai stated that give me 1 day time. Next Friday, that is yesterday, because 26th the holiday, 27th I will submit the citations wherein there is a necessity, even as per the principles of natural justice, that is the second principle of natural justice, RD, alternate pattern. So you have to be, the contention of the petitioner has to be heard. Why? Because he will be the most affected person. No doubt, he is now having a temporary post. So if he loses the post, definitely he will lose the glamour of the so-called DGP post. Therefore, he has got every right to be included. So then the Chief Justice said, no, not necessary. You have to decide. You are a senior advocate. The citations will be on your lips. Otherwise, how can you say that you will be implemented, you have to be implemented as a party? Come on, you cite the case for. Then he said, Your Honor, heavens are not going to fall down. Already he is working as a DGP. If the matter is posted to Friday, heavens are not going to fall down. No, why should you say like that? So ultimately, there was a surcharged atmosphere. That means heated exchange of arguments or discussions are going between seervai and the Honorable Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. This is the situation. Very heated atmosphere. In this context, at this particular time, the Advocate General, Kamkhoni, his name is, I can't say his number, Kumbhoni, Ashutosh Kumbhoni. So, he has got to the one of the lamps of it, that is wit. So, jocularly he said, Your Honor, normally the temperatures in the city, Bombay city, they are being very, very low. That's why we are enjoying with the court. Normally, we can't be during the summer season, we feel suffocated with this dust. Now, we are happy because of the low temperatures. But now, it seems temperatures have gone high. So, why don't you advise the clerk or the concerned man to switch off to the AC? That means AC was not there actually because it's a cooling time. So, the heated exchanges, they have risen the temperature. So, why don't you ask these people to switch on AC? Then laughter prevailed and everybody started laughing. Oh! మీకు అర్థమైందా? సో చాలా హీటెడ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆయన జోక్ వేశాడు సడన్గా, ఇది అడ్వకేట్ జనరల్ గారు. ఏమని, సార్ మామూలుగా మనైతే చల్లగా ఉంది వాతావరణం, హ్యాపీగా కోట్లు ఇస్తున్నాము, వాతావరణం చాలా వేడిగా ఉన్నట్టుంది ఎందుకంటే హీటెడ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ కాబట్టి. సో ఆస్క్ దట్ మ్యాన్ టు పుట్ ఆన్ ఏసీ సో దట్ కొంచెం కూల్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది కానీ. అండ్ సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద విట్. సో దెన్ ద చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ సెడ్, నో అది కాదండి దీంట్లో. సో Chief Justice clearly stated, Prakash Singh versus Union of India, he is correct. Chief Justice, the heated exchange enriched our knowledge. Chudandi, enta maryadaga mari. The heated exchange enriched our knowledge. So, when we provoke PROA, the councils, then such answers may come which are not in their context. Actually, they didn't want to say like that. So, definitely they will be useful. Anyway, in this connection, if we hurt anybody, we seek forgiveness. This is the greatness of the Chief Justice also. So, that's all what I want to tell you regarding the wit. See how the heated, surcharged atmosphere suddenly fell into the laughter stage with the wit or humor shown by the Advocate General. Actually, we have to congratulate him. Anyway, this is a good example for wit and humor, one of the 7 lamps of advocacy. Please see my video once or twice. You will definitely understand the concept of wit in the 7 lamps of advocacy. That's all. Thank you very much.